In today's digital landscape, Android app development has become a crucial aspect for businesses aiming to reach a wider audience. However, understanding the cost involved in developing an Android app is essential for effective budget planning. This guide delves into the factors influencing the cost of Android app development, steps for estimating the cost, and tips for reducing expenses without compromising on quality. Factors influencing the cost of Android app development. Complexity and features. The complexity of features directly impacts the cost. Basic apps with limited functionalities cost less compared to complex apps requiring advanced features like real-time synchronization, augmented reality, or machine learning integration. Design requirements. Design intricacy, including UI/UX elements, animations, and custom graphics, contributes significantly to the overall cost. Development time. The time required for development depends on factors such as app complexity, integration with third-party services, and testing. Longer development time often translates to higher costs. Platform compatibility. Ensuring compatibility with multiple Android versions and devices can increase development time and costs. Backend infrastructure. Apps that require server-side infrastructure for data management, user authentication, and content delivery incur additional costs for backend development and maintenance. Security requirements. Implementing robust security measures to protect user data and prevent breaches adds to the development cost. Maintenance and updates. Post-launch maintenance, bug fixes, and updates are ongoing costs that need to be considered. Steps for estimating the cost of Android app development. Clearly outline the app's objectives, target audience, features, and functionalities. Analyze similar apps in the market to understand industry standards, user expectations, and potential competition. Decide whether to opt for native development, cross-platform development, or hybrid development based on project requirements and budget constraints. Break down the project into smaller tasks and features to estimate development hours and costs accurately. Reach out to multiple app development agencies or freelancers to obtain quotes based on the project scope. Compare quotes, evaluate portfolios, and negotiate terms to ensure the best value for your budget. Tips for reducing the cost of an Android app development project. Focus on essential features for the initial release and consider adding advanced features in later updates. Utilize open-source libraries, frameworks, and pre-built components to reduce development time and costs. Simplify UI/UX elements and avoid unnecessary animations or graphics that may inflate development costs. Adopt an agile approach to development, allowing for flexibility, iterative improvements, and cost-effective changes throughout the development process. Consider outsourcing certain tasks or hiring remote developers from regions with lower labor costs to reduce development expenses. Design the app architecture with scalability in mind to accommodate future growth without significant redevelopment costs. Understanding Android app development costs requires careful analysis and planning. By defining requirements, obtaining accurate estimates, and implementing cost-saving strategies, businesses can manage budgets while delivering high-quality apps. Balancing cost-effectiveness with quality ensures a successful app development venture. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more valuable content delivered straight to you.